Talk Show.
Have you ever read the book Divergent?
No, but I know someone who has. Catherine Aniovich.
She's our first guest for today.
Hi guys.
How are you today, Kat?
I'm good, but better now that I read the book Divergent. How about you tell us about that? Well, it's set in the future with 5 factions: Amity, Condor, Dauntless, Abnegation, and Erudite. It's there where everyone lives, and when you turn 16, you decide for the rest of your life.
That's cool. So it's kind of like, what the genre and stuff?
Dystopian science fiction.
And who are the main characters?
That would be Beatrice Pryor, she's the main girl, and 4.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about these characters?
Well, Beatrice is blonde. So Beatrice was born in Abnegation, and her parents and brother are really selfless, but she doesn't feel she's quite as selfless as them. And 4 is kind of a character you don't really know about until later. Don't want to spoil it for anyone.
How is reading this book a good experience for you?
Well, one day when I was at the library, I was looking for a new book to read, and it was kind of sitting there on the shelf, and I heard something in the back of my mind, almost as if it was calling to me. And then this white light surrounded it, and it was the only thing I saw, and I reached out and picked it up, and it was like everything suddenly made sense.
It's just really touching. Just excuse me for a moment.
And we'll be right back.
The B&R Talk Show is sponsored by Veronica Roth, the author of Divergent, and balanced by us. Yum Yum.
And we're back to the B&R Talk Show.
So how about I give you some of the book?
That sounds good.
Okay, so I've already explained the beginning, but I'll continue. After Triss chooses her faction, she starts to kind of regret it. She makes multiple friends and even a couple of enemies. She starts to fall in love with someone who she really shouldn't fall in love with. When friends die, hearts are broken, and war breaks out. It all comes down to being divergent.
Whoa! I think I might actually get this book.
I have it here with me.
Wow! I can't wait to read it.
Maybe I'll go get one too.
Here.
Thanks.
And don't forget to read the second book.
Here. Okay, so Catherine, like we do to all our guests on the show, we give prizes. So, we got you
National Geographic Atlas of the World. Also, all of our viewers get one too.
Well, we have no viewers.
Oh well, here you go. Oh, I forgot to ask one more question. Who do you think is good to read this book?
I would say middle school and up, people who enjoy adventure and fantasy.
Wow, that's great. Well, now we're gone. Thank you.
Bye!
Peace out, homie.